Installing the Sena 10C to a helmet is simple as attaching the clamp kit or glued surface mounting adapter to the left side of the helmet, attaching the 10C to the clamp kit or mounting adapter, plugging the microphone and speaker connector to the 10C, and placing the microphone and speakers inside of the helmet. The 10C comes with the option to use a wired boom microphone or a wired microphone to use with various types of helmets. The clamp kit for the 10C allows you to adjust the angle of the camera lens by loosening the screw lock and rotating the 10C, then tightening the screw lock once the optimal camera angle has been achieved. Operating the headset on the 10C is accomplished by using two buttons, the phone button and the jog dial. The phone button and the jog dial is used for functions such as pairing to a Bluetooth device like a mobile phone and other Sena headsets, answering phone calls and making phone calls through a voice dialer, communicating to other Sena headsets through the intercom, accessing the speed dial feature, turning on and off the built-in FM radio, controlling music from a Bluetooth device such as a smartphone by playing, pausing, or changing music tracks, and using the music sharing feature. Operating the camera on the 10C is accomplished by using the camera button that is on top of the system. The camera button is used for taking a single photo or burst of photos, recording video, recording a time-lapse video, using the video tagging feature, and turning the camera on and off. Turning off the camera when it is not in use will help with the battery life on the 10C. When the setting has been enabled, the camera on the 10C will automatically power off after 5 minutes to help conserve battery power on the 10C. If you need to, you can charge the 10C while the headset is in use and the camera is recording video. On the bottom of the 10C, underneath the rubber covers, are the micro USB port for charging and updating the firmware on the 10C, a micro SD card port that supports up to a 32 gig micro SD card for storing videos, photos, and intercom communication or music captured by the camera, and a micro HDMI port for connecting to a TV for viewing videos and photos captured by the camera. That is a brief overview of the Sena 10C Bluetooth camera and communication system. It covers installing the 10C onto a helmet, how to operate the headset, and how to operate the camera, which makes the 10C one of the most unique Bluetooth headsets on the market from Sena Technologies.
Welcome to the WebBikeWorld.com video tour of the Grip Lock motorcycle lock. Please visit WebBikeWorld.com for a complete review of this product and many more. The Grip Lock is a highly visible motorcycle anti-theft device. It attaches to the grip and the front brake of the motorcycle, and it's designed to help prevent opportunistic motorcycle theft. The Grip Lock is made from 30% glass-filled nylon, embedded with 3 hardened steel inserts that are claimed to be very hard to cut. The grip lock is adjustable for different handlebar diameters and the distance between the handlebar and the front brake lever. It comes with spacers for the handlebar grips that go in here, and the front section moves back and forth for adjustment. Place it over the front brake and turn the key to lock it and it's set. It can be adjusted to keep the brake tight or loose. Here I have the brake just barely on. I had to set the handlebar width as wide as it could go because of my thick foam grips shown here, and the edges of the grip lock chewed up the soft foam slightly, but this doesn't seem to be a problem with normal grips. That's the WebBikeWorld.com quick video tour of the Grip Lock motorcycle lock. Thanks for watching.
There's nothing more powerful than freedom on two wheels. We are unified in our quest for this freedom. We ride for the memories, for new friendships, and old ones too. We ride to push the boundaries, to see the world from a different perspective. We ride to be free. There are enough things in life to limit you. So over the past year, we've been working on creating fewer limitations. Introducing the next generation of Light Mode technology.